foreign class, I will assign the task that is due tomorrow in the afternoon. The activity is posted in your NSDs. So I'm expecting that you will accomplish it on time. And there is no alugit to the deadline, right? That's all it is.
Sige, paano mo ba ginawa yun?
Ay, send ko na lang sa'yo mamaya yung gawa ko.
Sige, send mo later ah. Hindi ko magagawa yung pagtimusin eh.
Sige na, sige na, sige.
Ano bibilin mo? Parang gusto ko din ng sugat. Pero gusto ko rin ng waffle. Kasi okay naman ako sa waffle. But at the same time, ikaw ano ba bibilin mo?
Ako kasi masubi, para mabusog ako. Tapos, gusto ko kasi na maalat.
Sige, kung ano na lang sa'yo bibilin mo, yun na lang din gusto ko.
Malay mo, gusto mo ng waffle, para matamis.
Okay lang yan. Sabi na lang ako. Sigurado ka. Yes. Hi! Finally, class is over. Nakakapahinga na sa wakas. Gusto ko na umuwi. Oo nga pala, ikipet. Sige na. Ito mo ang kito. Tatay mo. Sige na ha. Sabi ng tao na.
Mahal ko ang Pilipinas. Pero hindi sapat pakipaglaban siya o mamatay para sa kanya.
Sige, sige. Check out natin ha.
Sir?
Bakit nung kailangan nyo?
Pagdating po sa natin, kung pwede po namin i-habol yung activity kasi deadline.
Can you stop? Wait. Why don't you speak for yourself? Without the concern, and you tend to Mara to tell it. Okay, so explain your concern.
Ano po, I miss an activity po. Because po may something happened. Gusto ko namin malaman if pwede pa po magpasa.
You will consider your task and activity. Please submit by today. And also, you can take a seat for a while and talk to Samara. Samara, for a while.
Yes po, sir.
Bakit sobrang dependent sa hindi pa?
Actually, before pa po siya dependent sa akin. Even po sa pagpili ng topic, sa food, and even po sa mga pupuntahan namin. Naging dependent na po siya sa akin even though meron naman po siyang sariling gusto gawin.
Thank you for informing about that case. I'll talk to her na lang. You can now leave.
Thank you po, sir.
1, 2, go.
Wait lang, CR lang ako. Makabantay lang yung gamit ko. Sama ako tayo. Sige, bantay mo yung gamit mo. Sige na.
Do you have a schedule today?
Yes po. I'm doing actually naman po. Yung mga appointment.
So you're Miss Marlon. So, how are you today, Miss Marlon?
Doing ka rin naman actually. Nag-appoint po ako kasi lately, this past few months, may napansin ko ako sa sarili ko. And is that ano po na parang I've been dependent on my friends. Which is normal naman siya, pero yung sa akin po kasi parang nagpapadalas na siya to the point na where I can function without having them around. And sa kanila lang po talaga ako nakadepende. And nag-push po sa akin ito na na-realize ko na rin is because a friend told me na masyado na akong nakaanak sa kanila sa mga bagay ko.
So I have an idea about what you're going through now. So for now, we're going to have an assessment and we're going to answer it. Is that okay for you?
Okay, thank you, Ms. Marlon, for answering this assessment and for your honesty and courage. For now, I will schedule you for your next session for us to see if the symptoms is consistent.
Good day po to.
Good day, Miss Marlon. Today, we're sasabihin ko sa inyo yung result sa mga assessment na ginawa natin for the past months. So, Miss Marlon, you have dependent personality disorder.
Miss Maharon, you have dependent personality disorder. It is a chronic mental illness po and submissive behavior. Usually, yung sa mga kinikwento mo is you are being dependent to your friend. Isa yun sa mga symptoms. Also, you are clinging for attachment, like that.
3.
Okay, it's good to know po na meron ng na-diagnose ako for that and alam ko na po yung nararamdaman ko. Is there any way po to how to avoid this or the treatments for this disorder?
Okay, Miss Aaron, and we'll see kung ano po yung best therapy ng growing state.
3.
Miss Maharon, we're going to give you a therapy. There are two kinds of therapy po na ibigay natin sa inyo, which is psychodynamic therapy and also cognitive behavioral therapy. Yung psychodynamic therapy po will help you for self-reflection, while the cognitive behavioral therapy will help your thoughts to make a pattern also to your emotions.
There are two types of treatment for dependent personality disorder. First is we have psychotherapy, also known as talk therapy, kung saan focus natin is to increase your independence, self-esteem, and ability to form self-sufficient relationship in a short-term and goal-oriented therapy. The second one is cognitive behavioral therapy, kung saan tutulungan ka i-lessen yung mga unhealthy patterns mo with your coping mechanism and improving your self-confidence.
I want to try both po and pabalitaan ko na lang po sa inyo kung ano yung mas compatible sa akin between the two.
Okay, Miss Aaron, and we'll see kung ano po yung best therapy ng growing state.
2, 3.
Good afternoon po, Doc.
Good afternoon, Miss Maharon.
3.
The best therapy that aligns with me was the cognitive behavioral therapy kasi I noticed that mas na-lessen yung pagiging dependent ko sa kanila, yung pagiging kliniko. And also, my friends encourage me then to unlearn that unhealthy habits of mine. And though mahirap siya for me, step by step is at least nagagawa ko siya, baby steps.
That's good to hear, Miss Paharon, that cognitive behavioral therapy works for you. But we need to continue the assessment for us to see if there's any withdrawal or inconsistency for your improvements.